Friends, I did some damage at Dior. Yes, because they had some amazing gifts during the year. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, well, Cyber Week. And they always have so many promo codes. But there was one in particular one that I said, okay, well, I'm doing no matter what, some holiday shopping. Might as well just get the stuff that I want and get those gift with purchases. And oh my gosh, I don't want all of these to fall. So let me show you what I got at Dior. Let me tell you, this year, holiday packaging, it's so gorgeous. You know, my friends, how much I love white and gold. This packaging looks so classy. I mean, literally, you just need a little ribbon and it's just ready to be gifted under the Christmas tree. It will look so beautiful. Here it is. Something that I got for me is that Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet set. One of the fragrances from Dior that I love the most. It's so delicate. It's super feminine. It smells amazing. It's kind of like an everyday fragrance and it's not a strong floral fragrance either. I love it. One thing that I was looking forward to get is this baby, is the travel size, because friends, when you travel or, you know, in a daily basis, I like to take a fragrance on my bag. And this is such a need. In addition, it comes with a mini size, which I think that is just so cute. And do you notice the actual design of the box on the back? It looks kind of like a crest. It's just phenomenal. By the way, I will be leaving all the details of each of the products on the description box below. My makeup too, that, by the way, I'm using this baby from Dior's holiday collection, as well as this beautiful lip maximizer. I love this shade. It's just so good. Oh, and then on my nails, got that Nude Look nail polish. Love this very classy nudie tone, one of my very favorite ones. The next item that I got, I think this will be an amazing hostess gift or a gift for yourself, a gift for home. Oh my gosh, I had been eyeing this set since the moment I started on the website. Let's just open it up. I mean, like the boxes, the packaging. Dior also offers gift wrapping and personalization too, aside to free shipping, and obviously their loyalty program is the best loyalty program that you can ever sign up for. You know, my friends, how many times I rave about it because you receive such gorgeous, beautiful gifts. But do you know what it is? Oh my gosh, this is the candle set. I was just like, okay, yes, in the gold motifs. I wish that you're able to smell them, my friends, because these smell so good. I'm in love with Thierry Montaigne. This fragrance is just so beautiful. In fact, the first time that I smelled it was, I got this baby right here from last year. So when I saw that it came on this set, I said, oh yes, and with these gorgeous bezels and packaging, oh my gosh, look at this beauty. This is Ambre Nuit. I cannot wait to light them up. And then Saint Honoré. This baby. This is a little bit more woody. And first time that I smell it, but these are just so precious, so gorgeous, and I'm just so happy to have gotten this set. Now this is a gift for my husband. I will tell him not to watch this video because he's so sweet. He always watches my videos. But yeah, this one he's not allowed to watch because this is going to be a Christmas present for him. I adore, and he loves the Sauvage Eau de Parfum. The Eau de Toilette, we also like it, but the Eau de Parfum, it is the one. This gift set came with the largest size bottle in addition to the travel size. And I just said it, my friends, I think a travel size is always needed, mostly when it looks this elegant. I mean, this is just perfection. So that's a gift for my husband. And with every $100 purchase, you get to choose a couple free gifts. Obviously, my order went above the $100 threshold because I was looking into something that I cannot wait. I will show it to you in a minute. But I picked, you know how much I love Eden Rock from the PRELOVED collection, and this is a mini size. I do have a large size, but then again, I love to have a little size too, so I can take it on my bag. This fragrance is ideal for summertime. And then a sample of the DIOR Prestige Le Crème. Not only these packages are fantastic to try the product, but also if you like them and you're going for a trip and you don't want to take too many things, you know, these little packages, they always come in handy. And these canvas pouches, I love them. Sometimes I put my keys, or I put, like, say, the batteries of my camera. I use it kind of like a catch-all type of thing to put in my bag, and keeps everything nice and tight. What else I got? The Dior Show Iconic Overcurl. This is an all-time favorite mascara and mascara primer. And look at this pouch. So elegant. So pretty. I love the velvet. I love that it's blue. And I also love that you can even use it kind of like a clutch. You know, if you have like a blue dress or a gold dress and you just want to dress it up, you can also use it as such. And it even comes wrapped with Dior tissue paper. I mean, like, literally, I don't know if that camera will be able to show you, but it has Dior written all across. My camera is a 4K camera, by the way. I film in natural light. It's getting a little bit darker, but you know, that's okay. Here we are, excited for this. Here I got the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl. This is the actual mascara in black. And then the Triple Action Volume Curl and Definition Lash Care Primer Serum. This is an OG. Many of you know about it. I think this is an excellent gift set. Also for those, like, for example, I know there are some people that they like makeup, but perhaps you don't know what to give to them. You don't know if to give them an eyeshadow palette or a lipstick, what's their preference on foundation and all of that. I think mascaras are the easiest thing to give, but this set in particular, I mean, not only comes in a gorgeous little box, you get the pouch, and then you also have the serum and primer, which is something that not a lot of people may pull the trigger on it. So this is a really good set. Oh, now this was actually a gift with purchase, which I didn't even need to enter a code. I think it was just, you know, I went up the threshold and I was able, you know, it just appeared on my cart basically. But it's a little pouch. So cute, and I love the color too. It's a beautiful ivory tone. It has the CD logo. I mean, you know, you can put so many things in here, or you can also gift them, which is something that I also do. Sometimes I get so many of these that some of them I use them, and some of them is like, okay, here's another gift, and another gift, and another gift. The next item, I think there was a little hiccup with Dior, which I'm not worried, because that's another thing that I love from Dior is their customer service. They really take care of you right away. But basically, they have this specific set, and it was supposed to come gift wrapped on this kind of box, but this is my box of the Blooming Bouquet. Well, you know, my friends, I told you that no matter what, I was gonna get the full size of the Le Bon, which is the hand, lips, and body cream. It comes like this. I mean, like, the packaging is so pretty, compact, easy to open too. Just like that. It's a little flap. And I had been trying the samples and I really enjoy it, mostly because during fall and winter time my hands suffer a lot, and I really like how compact is the packaging and how hydrating it is, this cream. So anyhow, this came included on that set, and then you were able to choose a blush and a lip oil, which I was able to choose. So I got the iconic Dior Rosy Glow on the Backstage line in the shade 001 Pink. This goes for someone in the family. She's not watching, so she will not know either. So that's a good thing. And then, I know, this is the Lip Glow Oil, but in the shade Rosewood, which is one that I don't have. And I actually had been meaning to try it and to buy it and purchase it. And here you have me. I got it. My goodness, friends. Have you seen the new lip maximizers by Dior? There's even this baby light blue. Talking about baby, Dior also just added a new line of baby body care. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, and I think I want to get something from that line. I know you are gonna be like, why? I mean, I have a younger daughter. She's not a baby, but hey, why not? And that's another thing that I don't comment too much. I know this may be a little bit like polarizing for some of you, like getting a designer item for a baby or a child, but I have always done so with all of my kids. Not everything. No. Just like one or two things, like one for when they were babies and one when they were like 5 years old, something like that. Just one thing, like a jacket or a pair of shoes. So I always had something, and those are heirloom pieces that I actually save them. And you know, if they want to have them for later on, or even if they want their own children to use it, that's all up to them. But yeah, it's just something that, I don't know, it's cute and I like it. So there were a couple promo codes, and that's something that there's always promo codes with DIOR, okay? Always. So I will make sure to leave as many promo codes as I know of on the description box below. So that way, if you are buying from DIOR, you can redeem them. You have to make sure that you're logging into your account, because some of them, they will not work. Well, most of them actually, they will not work if you're not logging into your account. One of those first promo codes was this little jewelry box. So tiny. It comes like so cute. And then here you have it, a cute tiny jewelry box. In the promo material, it looked like this was actually clear, and just in the middle says DIOR, but it's not. It came like this. Super cute. Yes, you can put a little bit of your jewelry. It doesn't have any compartments. It's something that is just good enough to be right next to your nightstand, I think. It's not made of wood. I think it's just like heavy carton box. But the thing that got me the most excited is this. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, the threshold for this baby was $500. And as you're able to see here, I went beyond the $100. There was also a notebook, but I think I didn't enter the right promo code. I mean, honestly, I don't know, my friends. I don't know anymore. But this is it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is a travel case. This is stunning. I mean, to begin with, the size is so generous. The material is kind of like a soft velvety corduroy kind of material. Super soft, super plushy. The construction is amazing. It has the CD logo on the front. Then it has the handle, and the handle you can actually flatten it out or just obviously go like this and then carry it this way. I mean, just perfect. Just perfect. But wait and see. This is not it. It's not only this beautiful makeup travel case that, by the way, nice size mirror too. Oh, hello, my friends. There is my camera. But also inside, you get a sturdy, gorgeous, beautiful, I think another jewelry box. But this one is, I mean, way more impressive. This is all lucid, wooden, I'm sure, or, you know, some sort of like sturdy material. Inside is not empty. You get the cotton pads from DIOR. And it's magnetic too. I'm dying. Okay. But not only that, oh my gosh, friends, I already unwrapped it because I couldn't resist. Like, wait a second. Oh, goodness. So, we got an eye mask, and it does have the logo right here. CD. Do you see? This is silk. Oh my goodness, I'm talking about silk. And you know, my friends, how much I love silk scrunchies. Well, we got a DIOR silk scrunchie. Beautiful, the color, but look at this touch. No, this made my holiday. This made my holiday season. I mean, like, they just took the cake. DIOR just took the cake for me. I can literally celebrate. I'm just so happy. My birthday is coming soon, so you have no idea how excited I am for all of these products. I'm telling you, if you're getting anything from DIOR, sign up for their loyalty program. It's free. Just, I said it, completely free. And how you can get those promo codes? Well, like I said, on the description box below, I will be leaving the promo codes that they are active. Some of these items here, sometimes they come back as a promo code. Sometimes they do not, you know, it's a one-time thing and then they disappear. So you kind of have to act fast, or, you know, like if you really want it, you just have to act fast. But otherwise, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, that's another thing that is completely free. Okay? But make sure you ring that post notification bell, because on my community tab, all the YouTube channels, we do have a community tab. So you have the videos, the shorts, the community tab. So on the community tab, basically, I let you know whenever there's a new release, a back in stock of something, give you alerts, etc. And let you know about these deals right here, these gift with purchases, the promo codes and whatnot. If you're on Instagram, that's also another way that I communicate with all of you. It's super simple. Just come and follow me on my Instagram. Usually, if I know it's something that is gonna go out of stock right away, I put it up on my stories too. And if you're on TikTok, well, come and follow me on TikTok, because it will be amazing to grow our family there too. Okay, my friends, and this makes it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you got anything from Dior this season. Let's just continue that conversation on the comment section down below. That, by the way, my description box also will be copy and paste as a pinned comment on the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos right here that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!